Today, come along as I shop for my fall 10-item wardrobe. Welcome back to Little Pink Casa. Rosenda here, and I'm excited to take you along as I shop last minute for my fall wardrobe. Today I came to Dress Barn to return a jumpsuit. In fact, the one you're looking at right here. I ordered it for my birthday online through Dress Barn, and I ended up not liking it. It was a little too long for me. So I decided to come get store credit and look for pieces I could add to my fall and winter wardrobe. Yes, I'm thinking ahead for next season. So as I shopped around, I saw clearance, and Dress Barn has a lot of clearance. They're trying to move out their summer clothes, and they're really good deals, but because I was looking for fall and winter pieces, I didn't find too many things. But then I looked and saw this 75% off on all Ann Taylor brand. All of this you see is Ann Taylor. They had such a huge selection, and everything was from $5 to $10. If you like the Ann Taylor brand, I would definitely run to a Dress Barn and go grab some things. Okay, I'm in the dressing room now, and I'm going to show you. I picked out some sweaters, some blouses, a few dresses, one of which is the first one I tried, the maroon floral dress, and I did not like it. I did not like the style, and it wasn't very flattering on me. And the other dresses were too small, so I didn't bother showing you. Next, I found this pretty top. It's kind of like a sweater long top, but it has the 3/4 bell sleeve. I love the colors, so that was nice. And of course I had to try on another sweater because I love this color maroon. I think that's the color of my winter and fall this year. And I really liked it. It was really warm. And then I found this beautiful casual top. It's so pretty. The plaid, the pink maroon, and the pink cardigan, which I love pink. It's very casual, but I need those kind of things for days when I run back and forth. And then this beautiful top. So pretty. It's a blouse with the fluttery sleeves and the little bow, and it's floral. I thought this would be a good transitional piece. The colors are great. And I had to try on a comfy, beautiful sweater, which I've been needing. I need sweaters, so it's cozy. I love the collar. It's like, give me some hot cocoa right down a fireplace type of sweater. The next place I went to was Kohl's. It was in Dress Barn. And I found a pretty cardigan that I have been looking for in a perfect cinnamon color. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know this cardigan because I shared this post. And these jeans are so cute. They're Lauren Conrad, but I didn't get the jeans that day. I would like to get them in the future because they were so cute. And they don't have rips, but definitely love the cardigan. And this is what I've been wanting to buy for my fall 10-item wardrobe. To recap, this is what I got at Dress Barn with my store credit. This pretty top. And I ended up getting the maroon sweater along with the maroon and pink plaid top and the pink cardigan along with this beautiful floral blouse. It's totally my style. And every girl needs a cozy sweater. I cannot believe I bought all of these things for 75% off, and I got them free with my credit. And at Kohl's, I did get the cinnamon cardigan. So thank you so much for watching my video. I had so much fun today. I got things for my fall and my winter 10-item wardrobe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a like, and also I will see you in my next video. And you know I'm a happy girl when I walk out of a store paying hardly anything. Have a great day.